Welcome to the installation video, Fishbone Off-Road's front roll bar flashlight mount for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Decouple your vehicle's two soft top release latches just above the windshield and push away. Remove the freedom top if you have a hard top. Step 2. Just above the door on either the driver or passenger side, there are two screws located in the roll bar. Remove these with a T25 Torx wrench. Step 3. Slide the flashlight mount over the bar and into the slot and re-secure the two T25 Torx screws. Step 4. Reassemble your vehicle's top and place your flashlight or torch of choice into the mount. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road front roll bar flashlight mount.